That's an absolutely brilliant and fundamental question that gets to the heart of the current state and future of AI. The short answer is AI will get dramatically better at reducing mistakes and hallucinations, but it will likely never be perfect in the way a human might be honest. The concept of honesty doesn't quite apply to AI as it does to humans. Let's break down why and what the path forward looks like. Why AI hallucinates and makes mistakes. Today, first, it's crucial to understand the root cause. Models like ChatGPT are not databases of facts or conscious beings. They are statistical prediction engines. Their core function is, given a sequence of words, what is the most statistically plausible next word? This is a powerful tool for generating human-like text, but it has inherent weaknesses. 1. No ground truth. The AI doesn't know anything. It doesn't have a model of the world. It operates on patterns it learned from its training data, which can be incomplete, biased, or contradictory. 2. Aim to please. The model is optimized to produce outputs that seem helpful and coherent. If the most coherent answer involves inventing a plausible sounding but false fact, like a fake citation, it will do so. It's prioritizing narrative flow over factual accuracy. 3. Overconfidence. The AI doesn't have a reliable sense of its own uncertainty. It can state a complete fabrication with the same confident tone as a well-established fact. How AI will improve. The path to greater reliability. Researchers and companies are working on multiple fronts to tackle this problem. Here are the key ways AI will become more reliable. 1. Better architecture and training. Reinforcement learning from human feedback, RLHF. This is already used, but it will get more sophisticated. Humans are constantly rating AI outputs, teaching the model what is a good, truthful, and helpful response. Constitutional AI. This involves giving the AI a set of core principles, a constitution, to self-critique its own outputs against, reducing the need for human feedback at scale. Better training data. Curating higher quality, more factual, and less biased training data will lead to a more reliable base model. 2. Hybrid systems and tool use. This is one of the most promising short-term solutions. Instead of relying on the AI's internal knowledge, we connect it to external verifiable tools. Retrieval Augmented Generation, RAG. When you ask a question, the AI first queries a trusted knowledge base, like Wikipedia, a company's internal documents, or a scientific database, and then generates its answer based only on that retrieved information. This grounds its response in facts. Take calculator and code tools. For math and logic, the AI can offload the work to a calculator or a code interpreter, ensuring computational accuracy. Fact-checking modules. A separate AI subsystem could be designed specifically to fact-check the primary AI's output before it's shown to the user. 3. Improved uncertainty and calibration. Researchers are developing ways for AI to better express when it's unsure. Confidence scores. The AI could accompany its answers with a confidence level. I'm 95% confident about this historical date, but only 60% confident about this interpretation. I don't know as a strength. training models to be more comfortable saying, I don't know, or that's outside my reliable knowledge base, instead of guessing. 4. Specialization. General purpose models will always have a broader scope for error. We will see more specialized AIs trained deeply on specific, high-quality domains, e.g., medical literature, legal precedents, engineering manuals. These will be far less prone to hallucinations in their area of expertise. The honesty problem. Why perfection is unlikely. Even with all these improvements, AI will likely never be perfectly honest or error-free for a few philosophical and practical reasons. The problem of grounding. An AI lacks the real-world experience and consciousness that gives human language its true meaning. Our words are grounded in sensory experience and understanding, and AI's words are grounded in statistical patterns of other people's words. This is a fundamental limitation, the ambiguity of truth. The world is full of contradictions, nuances, and unresolved questions. An AI trained on human data will inevitably reflect this messiness. What is true in one context might not be in another. Adversarial attacks. As models get better, people will find new, clever ways to jailbreak or trick them into producing incorrect or biased outputs. The creativity hallucination spectrum, the same underlying mechanism that allows an AI to write a beautiful, original poem or propose a novel scientific hypothesis, is what causes it to hallucinate a fact. It's hard to eliminate one without damaging the other. Conclusion. The future is reliability, not perfection. Think of the evolution like this. Current AI, a brilliant, fast-talking intern who is incredibly clever, but often confuses making things sound right with making them be right. You must verify everything they do. Near future AI, a highly knowledgeable and cautious research assistant. It will clearly cite its sources, tell you when it's unsure, and use calculators and databases to back up its work. It will make far fewer errors, and its errors will be more obvious and manageable. Distant future AI. This is where it gets speculative. If we achieve artificial general intelligence, AGI, an AI with human-like understanding, the concept of honesty might become more relevant. But it would also come with a whole new set of challenges and ethical considerations. So, to answer your question directly, yes, AI will improve to the point where its mistakes and hallucinations are rare, manageable, and clearly signposted. It will become a profoundly reliable tool, but it will never be honest in the human sense, because it doesn't have a mind to be dishonest with. The goal is trustworthy reliability, not human-like perfection.